Hello guys, back again to our channel. Today I'm coming up with a new tutorial video which show you how you can fix your Apple Watch LCD. Disassemble, unplug the flex cables, be careful. Then we are going to clean our Apple Watch from the glue of LCD and unnecessary glasses which remain from the old LCD, and clean it with brush. Then we are going to take our new LCD and plug the flex cable. Then here we go. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hello guys, back again to our channel. Today